Welcome to Science Stories, where big discoveries start small. Today, we're shrinking down to explore inside a plant. Join Kiyara and her garden friends as they discover how plant parts work together.
Stem carries water, or is it the leaf? Ugh, why is science so confusing?
Roots, stem, leaves, they all sound the same to me. Huh? What was that light? Maybe I should take a closer look. Whoa! What is that?
Hi, Kiyara. I'm Pip. Are you confused about the parts of a plant? I can help you. Let me take you inside a plant and show you how everything works together.
Inside a plant? What? Wait, what? Whoa, it's like a giant underground world.
Hold steady, team. The wind is picking up. Hello there. I'm Ray the Root. I act as an anchor to the plant. If I don't grip tight, the whole plant falls over. See, I drink water from the ground. But not just water, I also take minerals too. Now I am sending the juice up to the stem.
Come, Kiyara, let's go to STEM now.
Whoa, up we go. This is amazing.
Coming through, water delivery. I'm Stan the Stem. I am the elevator of the plant. I deliver water and food to all parts of the plant. I look like an elevator and act like a delivery guy. Water pipe! Food pipe! These pipes move water. These pipes move food. I keep everyone.
Stan is an excellent elevator, but from where did he get the food?
Next stop, the kitchen.
Hi, I am Lulu the Leaf. Welcome to my kitchen. I am Chef Lulu. I will show you how I prepare food for plant. I take in air and water, and I cook with sunlight.
Ta-da! Plant food is ready.
And Lulu also gave us some oxygen. That means the fresh air that plants give us. Now the food prepared by the leaves is distributed to all parts of the plant. The whole plant is eating.
Is it showtime? Oh, hi! I am Flora the Flower. I make seeds for new plants with the help of my friends. My guests are here! I wear bright colors to invite my friends. Together, we make seeds so new plants can grow.
Thank you, everyone. I will never forget what you taught me. I'll always remember what you showed me. Bye, Pip. I get it now. Roots hold the plant strong in the soil. They collect water and minerals and pass them to the stem. Stems acts like a delivery guy and delivers water to every part of the plant. They also deliver food from the leaves to the rest of the plant. Leaves are like chefs. They use sunlight, water, and air to create food for plant and oxygen for us. Flowers reproduce the plant. With help from bees and butterflies, they form seeds that grow into new plants. Plants aren't just standing there, they're working together as a team. For more such science stories, subscribe to The Shining Nebula. See you in the next adventure!